Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel YK Computer. Today we are going to explore some of the most commonly used Linux command less, more, head and tail. Let's dive right in. First up is the less command. This command allows you to view the content of a file one page at a time. It's particularly useful when dealing with large files. Here's how you use it. File.txt for display the content of file. Less space file.txt. Hit enter. It shows us the content of file. In this file, I was write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. Okay. Here you use up or down arrow for page up and down. Q to quit. Next we have the more command. It's similar to less but with fewer feature. You can use it like this more file.txt. Hit enter. Here again use the arrow keys to navigate and Q for quiet. Moving on the head command. This command display the first 4 lines of the file. By default it shows the first 10 lines, but you can specify a different number like this head, and here I write how many lines you want to print. I want to print first 4 lines space file name. Hit enter. Here you can see same file, but it gives us output only 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally we have the tail command. It works just like head, but it displays the last 4 lines of a file instead. Here's how you use it. Here I write tail command. Tail minus 4 file.txt. It shows us last 4 lines 7, 8, 9, 10. This is tail command. If I want to between some lines to print, how can I do? Here we use pipe symbol. If I want to 5 to 7 number of lines, then how can I print the lines? I use pipe symbol. How? Let's try. I write head command for first 7 line file.txt, and here I use pipe symbol for the last 3 lines. Here I use tail command. Tail minus from first 7 to last 3 lines. What are the? Here you can see 5, 6, 7. From first 7 lines to last 3 lines. Here we use pipe symbol. That's all for today's tutorial on Linux commands. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.